Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into VOO. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 2nd of April, 2025, our system has labeled VOO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.24. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has encountered a loss of 11.98%. This results in an average daily loss of 2.40% since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken the downward trend in the short term. Initially, a stronger rate of decline is indicated, but false breaks and sell-offs may occur. Nevertheless, a further decline seems plausible, and any rebounds back to the breaking point, which is $488.29, are viewed as a second chance to exit. According to the fan theory, $448.41 will represent the new bottom line of the next trend, but it is still too early to confirm this. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 10.59% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between -4.41% and +3.40%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 14.37%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from 14.37% to 43.59% over the next year. In present terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $522.40 and $655.84. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF price down 1.47% on Tuesday. The VOO ETF price decreased by 1.47% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 8th of April, 2025. Falling from $463.56 to $456.74. This marks a decline for 4 consecutive days. During the last trading session, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 7.31%, ranging from a low of $449.60 to a high of $482.48. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 13.93% over that period. Notably, the trading volume also fell on the last day, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with ETF movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 12 million shares, with a total of 19 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $8.59 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $563.90, while the lowest price was $442.80. Currently, the price stands at 19%, or $107.16, below the 52-week high of $563.90, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The recent volatility surrounding the S&P 500 has sent shockwaves through the market, with VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, reflecting these movements. Today, the S&P experienced a significant drop, closing below 5,000 points for the first time in nearly a year, largely driven by escalating tariff concerns. Investors are now bracing for nearly $1 trillion in potential tax hikes if new tariffs on Chinese imports come to fruition. This development has been further exacerbated by a downgrade in S&P 500 targets by Evercore ISI, signaling an expected increase in volatility amid disappointing earnings predictions. The sentiment surrounding VOO has shifted accordingly, with analysts noting that history suggests every significant dip could represent a buying opportunity. However, the looming tariffs are raising concerns about profit margins and future corporate earnings, adding uncertainty that could weigh heavily on stock performance in both the short and long term. As the landscape evolves, VOO is caught in fierce competition with other ETFs like SPY and IVV, for investor attention amidst this turbulent environment. With bond yields remaining stagnant, traditional safe havens are offering little refuge. Market participants are advised to stay alert as this scenario unfolds, as the combination of tariff implications and market dynamics could lead to continued volatility and potentially further declines in VOO's price in the immediate future. The following signals have been identified for VOO. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The VOO ETF is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which suggests a negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal indicating that the long-term average is above the short-term average. On upward corrections, some resistance is expected at the levels of $489.80 and $522.07. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 13.93%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 11 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 33 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 30 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 11 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. And given the right condition, the ETF may perform very badly in the next couple of days. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $32.88 between high and low, or 7.31%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 4.86%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $463.56. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below this level, which indicates that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. It is important to proceed with caution and to consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader capable of navigating such scenarios. We currently hold a negative assessment for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is the VOO ETF a good investment? Currently, VOO exhibits several negative indicators and is situated within a declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly over the next few days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative assessment of this exchange-traded fund. By examining the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems have determined that the current price appears undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 9th of April, we project that VOO will open higher by $6.20, beginning trading at $462.94. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.